Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your keyboard is typing a different language or is typing incorrectly, keep on watching this video. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is to search for troubleshoot settings. So to do that, click on the search icon at the bottom left part of your screen and type in troubleshoot settings. It's right there, so tap on troubleshoot settings and this page should open up. From here, we click on additional troubleshooters. For other Windows version, it might say other troubleshooters. So tap on that, and from here we scroll down a bit, and under the section that says find and fix other problems, we should see keyboard right there, and tap on keyboard so we can find and fix problems with your computer's keyboard settings. And we click on run the troubleshooter. And Windows will detect any issues and it should solve if there are any issues detected within the troubleshooter. If this does not work, we exit on these windows right there. And the next step would be to right click on the start icon or the Windows icon at the bottom left part for Windows 10 and click on settings. From here, we click on time and language. And at the left part of this page, we see language right there. So tap on language and make sure that your Windows display language is set to the language that you want. So for example, mine is set to English United States. And here are the languages, my preferred languages for my Windows. Make sure that it is in here for yours. If not, you can click on add a language right there and type in your language name and click on next and set it up so that it will be included to your preferred languages. From here, we can click on the preferred language that you have, click on options, and make sure that the language pack is installed, handwriting, and more importantly, the keyboards is installed right here or is stated right here. Let's go back to the page and check on the other preferred language that you have, click on options, and make sure that the keyboard is added as well. Now, for example, your language is not here. I'm going to do an example for English Australia. You tap on it and click on next and make sure that your language pack is installed and the other option is also installed. Click on install and it might take some time and wait for it and make sure that the keyboard is also installed within that language. And the other step would be that your issue might also be related to the numlock key on your keyboard. So try clicking on the numlock key to activate or deactivate the number pad and other functions that you have for your numlock or number pad. And that is how you can basically fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.